Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Sky. Today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine, and this is me awkwardly posing for a thumbnail. Let's get to it. So I'm just revealing my hair right now. It's totally tangled and dry, and you can see where all my different twists were that are still clumped together, and it's really hard to separate my hair for you to see my scalp. So that's just a closer look at my hair. This is a closer look and side-by-side comparison of the old bottle of the conditioner I use, and this is the SheaMoisture Power Green shampoo I'm going to be using to wash my hair. So I start off by just wetting my hair, and I'll give you guys a closer look right now just to see how my tangled hair looks. I think it's pretty cool to see all the locks dripping wet. So then I just go back into the shower and do an impromptu length check, of course. Gotta see where your hair length is at. And now I start to go in with that shampoo, and I'm just using small amounts because a little bit goes a very long way with this shampoo. And I've already sectioned my hair, so I'm just working on the first quarter, and then I twist that off and really make sure to get my roots and edges, and I clip that to the side and move on to the next section and repeat the same process. I really am using a kind of wide finger motion to scrub my scalp and make sure that I'm getting in touch with my scalp and cleaning that as well. So I kind of turn my hand into its own little comb just to rub on my scalp, and I keep going with that process. And that's all of my hair with shampoo in it, and you can see the back. And now I'm just rinsing that shampoo out. There's no need to let it sit for long because it's like washing your hands. It does its job as you're using it. And that's my hair after I rinsed all the shampoo out. And you can see there's a significant amount of shrinkage. Right here I've added the conditioner and I started detangling. At this point I'm just going in and finally finger detangling my hair and then twisting those sections. This is a closer look at that. And then I will comb out the end with my wide tooth comb. And now I'm going to get started on the other side, just repeating the same process. And I finally switched to using my easy detangler, and this makes detangling so easy. Like, that was it, and that section's done, and I can run my hands straight through it with no problem. I'm also going to brush across my scalp with this because it stimulates growth and detangles the root. So I finished detangling my hair and twisting it and went to sleep. Okay, it is the next morning, and now I'm ready to take off my cap and my plastic bag. I know I initially stated that you don't need to leave it on longer than 30 minutes, but I was really tired, so I went to sleep. But here's what we're working with now. I wore my bonnet to trap heat, and also because if the bag slips off, then my hair would just get conditioner all over my pillow. I don't have a shower cap, and I never seem to have a shower cap. I just don't buy them because I have plastic bags at home. Under here are my twists from last night. Now, I'm gonna reveal them, but like, do not expect much. They're super dense, they're super full of water and product. I also applied coconut oil to my hair last night, so they smell good. I'm here for like how it laid my baby hairs and edges. There's struggle edges a little bit, but I'm glad that there's at least still hair there. Now I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm going to rinse out the conditioner from my hair, back in my bikini. So full disclosure, at this point I am using hot water just because the conditioner has sat on my hair all night and I didn't see cold water being beneficial to me, so I didn't want to suffer through a cold shower. So this is my fully washed hair. This is going to be the best view of my curl pattern because it has no product and it's wet. And this is a side-by-side comparison of my hair before and after I deep conditioned it, and it's a lot easier to pull apart because it's detangled now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair now because I'm dripping all over the place, but I did just want to wrap this video up with a huge thank you to everyone who's been supporting me. I just started off with YouTube, but I am passionate about it and I'd like to go far. So please like this video, comment on it, watch it to the end. Well, if you're here, you already watched it to the end. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. You know somebody who wants to go natural, who is natural. You're natural yourself, you know. I don't know, watch it a few times, but thank you. I really appreciate everything, and you guys have a great day. Womp womp.